How to sign into Netspend Bank account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Netspend Bank Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, netspend.com. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. If you want to save your username, check in for the option of remember username. After you provide all the details, click on login, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Netspend bank account. This was really simple and quick process. If you want to register for your account or activate your card, you can use these options given over here and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.